Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this right here. It is actually sold on Amazon and I will be linking where you can actually purchase it down in the description box below. But it's kind of like a Lego set. They're not technically called Legos, but they technically are Legos just because it's not by the Lego brand. So they call it like a block building set. But it has 566 pieces. It has 25 play styles in total, and it shows all the different things that you can make with it. It is for ages 6 and up because Legos are choking hazards, and I will be inserting clips of my children actually playing with this because I didn't want them to do it right now because it's kind of noisy and they're playing other things. So I was going to do the intro and outro of this video and then later on insert clips of them playing with it. But I just want to describe it right now. So this is everything that comes in the box. It does have, this is pretty cool. They have like little stickers to where you can build the stuff. Like if you're making the big dude, it has like all the pieces and what you need to build each thing. So it's just kind of like your standard Lego instructions that you get with all Lego sets, and it just shows some of the things that you can make. So that's pretty much all this is. 12 bags, and all the bags are numbered so that you know what you're working with. And I'm pretty sure these will tell you the numbers. Yeah, so that's like A9, A10. So it'll tell you which ones you're actually needing to use. So yeah, this is all number 1. This is number 2. And it has the numbers, like, because it has these numbers right here as well. And so it'll say those numbers and say 1, 2, 3, like this is 4. So that you know what you're working with to build this dude right there. So that is pretty cool. So I'm going to be inserting clips of my kids actually building this right now. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
So let's get to building. So this is number 1. You got all your little pieces. And this will turn into a transformer. So that's the first one in package number 1 that we made. And after you make all of these, you can put them all together to make it the ultimate transformer, which is this guy right here. So was it fun? You enjoy making it?
I didn't even get to put one piece.
So it is, he's 8 years old and it's a little complicated even for me, but if your kids know how to put Legos together, just read these. They can do it by themselves, but I was helping them. But it's still pretty cool, isn't it?
Yep.
And then you can see, like, this part can move like this. So it's pretty cool.
Next, let's make the ultra.
But yeah, that pretty much completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.